Hi students and friends, welcome to the channel Learn and Teach by Sir Ayaz. I will continue my lesson about chromatography. The learning outcomes for this lesson would be interpret simple chromatograms to identify unknown substances by comparison with known substances, pure and impure substance. State and use the equation for RF. RF is equal to distance traveled by the substance divided by distance traveled by the solvent. Here's a summary of the last lesson. Chromatography is used to identify colored substances like dyes, pigments, flavors, etc. Chromatography relies on the relative solubilities attraction of the components in the or for the solvent or chromatography paper. In chromatography, colorless substances need locating agents. In this lesson, I will teach you how you're going to interpret a simple chromatogram to identify unknown substances by comparison with known substances as well as pure and impure substance. Consider the following chromatogram to identify the presence of L, M, N, and P colors in the mixtures X and Y. You can see Y contains L and P only, as it is revealing only red and brown spots. This is the red spot and brown spot. So it contains L and P. Can you identify colors present in X? Here's a hint. X contains yellow, red, and purple or violet spots on the chromatogram. Which means it must contain N, P, and M. Now let's talk about RF. RF is the retention factor. RF retention factor. You see this diagram showing chromatogram obtained by analysis of a single dye. This line is the original level of solvent. Original level of solvent. Also known as baseline. Here is the original spot of dye. Original spot of dye and final position of dye. Final position. This is the final position of dye. Y is the distance traveled by the dye. Distance traveled by the dye. X plus Y is the distance traveled by the solvent in the same time. X plus Y is X plus Y. Distance traveled by the solvent in the same time. How is the RF value of the dye calculated. We use this formula RF is equal to distance traveled by substance divided by distance traveled by solvent. Therefore, RF or retention factor for this chromatogram can be calculated as Y divided by X plus Y. You can easily calculate. There won't be any unit for RF value obtained. Thanks for watching. Please like, give comments and share my video. For more videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.